Have a flashing light update to share with you guys. Some of these have narration. We're up to 645 on the map here in the United States of unique videos that have been sent in, and I've got more to share with you guys. I'm approaching 1,600 now. 1,500 plus global videos that have been sent in the last 6 months. And video number one's out of the United Kingdom, sent in by Rebecca Jane Love. Lights flashing for unknown reasons all across the front of what looks like an apartment complex. And this next segment has narration by Nicole out of Ohio. Here we go.
I've never seen anything like this. See that light's on? My cable, my internet, my Wi-Fi boxes are off. The power just went off, all right? That light keeps blinking on and off. All the power's off. TVs are off. This light won't come on. Let me show you. See, it's not coming on. But the bathroom light's on. All this stuff. Microwave's off. My fridge, it's off. Not the lights, though. And then, wait. Because then we're going to come over here. And for some reason, what the hell? The TV came on. The lights are on my AC unit, but it ain't coming on. It won't work. Everything else is off. It is eerily quiet. My fan, it should be on. It's not on. My dehumidifier should be on. It's not on. I have never seen this happen, y'all. 36 years old, and I've had a lot of power outages.
So as you clearly saw all of those anomalies around her house, and she said she was in the middle of a power outage, but the power wasn't completely off? Make that make sense. Something seems to be interfering with the flow of electricity. Imagine that. Example number 3 out of Pennsylvania. Christina and Howard, 6/6 of 2025. Howard was driving down the road when he looked up in his rearview mirror and saw a truck coming up behind him with flashing headlights. Again, you can't make this stuff up. There it is right there. That is some incredible camera work too. He's driving down the road looking forward, recording the flashing lights behind him. Okay, now watch what happens. He stops recording the truck behind him. He puts his camera down, and as he's putting his camera down, look at the radio in the dash of his car. The clock, the radio, exterior temperature, all malfunctioning. He had never seen that before. It was as if his car, the truck behind him, went through some pocket of energy that caused their vehicles to temporarily malfunction. Again, you can't make this stuff up. I've never seen a vehicle do that. I know our vehicle's never done that, and neither had theirs until yesterday. 6/6 of 2025. So whatever this is that's going on, to me, from what I'm seeing, it appears to be getting stronger, not weaker. Here's another incredible example sent in by Bella. This goes back to April of 2025, 11:03 p.m. This is a neighborhood across the way. She noticed the lights over there flickering on and off. Watch the entire neighborhood go off. This row right here first, and then this row right here. See how they just turned off? Now watch the rest of the lights turn off. Pitch black over there. That's a neighborhood. You can't even see it anymore. Okay, I'm slowly zooming out. There is a neighborhood over there. These lights here start flickering, and then they eventually go completely off. She panned to the left and then back over to the right, and all the lights are off. Something seemed to be interfering with the flow of electricity because there's lights on over there, lights on over here. Now those are kind of flickering again a little bit. The first row of lights that we saw are still completely off. She'd never seen that happen before, like the young lady in her house that had some of her appliances working, some of her lights working, and some of them weren't. She had never seen that before. Annabella, 6/2 of 2025, out of Boise, Idaho, was riding her bike along the backside of this big building and noticed the lights on the top of the building in broad daylight flickering for unknown reasons. And she rides her bike through here all the time and has never seen anything like that. This next video is out of Kissimmee, Florida. It has narration by Miss Latte. Here we go.
Look at this. What in the world? I am at Sam's in the middle of the day. And they're flashing. Oh, even over here.
What is going on? So I'm in Central Florida at the Kissimmee Sam's Club, located on 192. Have a good day, Mr. MBB333.
Thank you, Miss Latte. I appreciate that. Guys, to me, this is part of something bigger. There's something else going on that's interfering with the flow of electricity all around the world, and we're just documenting this. I'm sharing the videos that are shared with me. I get anywhere from 10 to 20 a day and have been since November of 2024. Prior to November of 2024, I had received 0. Now we have nearly 1,600 in 7 months.